Well, still looking for damage and stuff. That's, well, I'll see if I can fix that. I'm not sure. It's now leaning big time, and I can see more of the top part's been torn. This used to be stacked on top of one another. It picked this up and moved it. Yeah, I know, you guys were freaked right out, weren't you? Got these two sort of in jail, I guess. They're out with the bucks. Actually looking for a home for these guys. Ducks are loving it. They can't get over here, which is where they want to get. So instead they're making this big mud hole. Let's see, back out a bit. The goats like it. Hi. What you doing, Comet? What you doing, Comet? Quite the sunset after the tornado. Still not sure what the rest of what it looks down. All I know is this hole. I was looking out the pantry door, and next thing I know, away I go. Okay, I don't see any shingles missing up there, but I did have a leak. It's probably from the vent. Came down so much, rain came through. Well, on the plus side, it'll make it easier to cut this without hurting myself. But yeah, it picked it up and moved it. It actually looks like it moved the other one too. You know what? It rotated it. Because the bottom now is where I had already cut branches along. It rotated this. Because that used to be on the other side of the tree. It rotated the whole thing. Wow. Let's see if I can get over and show you what a poor pumpkin patch looks like. I'm hoping it survives. Looks like it might be okay. I'll check it tomorrow. I'm surprised this thing didn't go. I don't see any other branches over there. Maybe my barn looks okay, I think. I have to look at the other side, I don't know. I don't see any branches over there, but they were all over here. Got the froggies going. I got the goats all tied up over here. Or, well, not tied up, but let loose over here. Yeah, you guys have already killed it, so you might as well finish it off. Yeah, it did pretty good. Yeah, I don't know how much damage they did along here. So I didn't see, it just looks like it it pulled that way. I mean, the corn is all pulled all the way along here. So I don't know. But I got a mess to clean up tomorrow. I'm not doing it now. So I guess I'm coming out with my little handsaw and try and cut that down some. Throw it over the fence. On the plus side, it'll be more firewood later on down the road. Ooh, look at that thundercloud. Wow. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Yeah. It all traveled that way, so I don't know what happened south of here. But I do know it pummeled the crap out of us. I see that tree is leaning, so I think when Ewing comes over, I'm just get him to drop all of them and get rid of them. I like my trees, but I don't need doing that because that one's gonna go over too, so. Let's see if I can see much of the sunset before I close off. Okay, bye.